y'all. It's Meso. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I'm going to be doing something real special for you, a honey butter glazed duck. Yeah, take a look. Get into it. So, I want to introduce to you Mr. Waddles. And Mr. Waddles cost me $12.20. He was $2.49 a pound, and Mr. Waddles weighs 4.89 pounds, so almost 5 pounds. Let's take a look at Mr. Waddles. Inside are some innards in a bag, or the giblets. This is the heart and the liver and that kind of stuff. Use it if you like. And I also have a bag in here of some orange stuff. They want you to use it as a glaze. I'm not going to be using mine. Today we're doing a different recipe. Look down in here though, make sure you're leaving nothing. That cavity is empty. Okay, so let's just take a good look at the bird. Okay. So I want to just show you these legs or these drumsticks. They're so small, and the short thighs are almost non-existent. Look at this wing. It's so skinny. These little blades have no meat on them. And you can see that the back virtually has nothing on them. And I want to just look again at the thighs, but it's really got a lot of fat. It's really good for you in your fat that you're going to put in your dressing. Okay, now I'm going to just wash this guy off. Mr. Waddles, let's take a bath. So I'm cleaning the outside and the inside of Mr. Waddles, and then I'm going to leave him soaking with a little bit of vinegar and water for about 15 minutes. I've got him out and dried him off, and these are the very few ingredients that we're going to use. Now I'm using some vegetable oil, but you can use olive oil if you'd like, and I'm just sort of rubbing Mr. Waddles down. Yeah, he likes this. Now I'm going to come back, put a little bit of sea salt on him, and some black pepper, baby. Gonna make Mr. Waddles spicy. I have some paprika here. And seriously, the black pepper won't make it spicy. You will basically never know it's there. Just add some flavor. That was garlic that I just put on. And now I'm going to give Mr. Waddles a very good rub down. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. There you go. All right, now here we're going to look inside because I'm about to stuff Mr. Waddles. I've got some dressing here that I'm going to show you how to make on another video. I'll be showing you the dressing, but right now we're going to stuff him. Now remember, if it's cooked outside of the bird, it's called dressing. If it's cooked in the bird, it is stuffing, baby. And so I've got him stuffed. Yeah, he feels all heavy and fat now. Tummy really full, but I gotta make sure that stuffing does not come out. So I have some wooden skewers here, and I am just trussing all this flesh together. I am taking the wooden skewers and I have the flesh folded over because I don't want that stuffing as it cooks to come out. I want it to stay inside the bird. Now a little bit's gonna come out, but I want it to stay mainly inside the bird and get flavored there. Okay, now I'm also going to pin down the wing tips. I have some kitchen pliers that I use all the time just for the kitchen, and I'm taking these and sort of pinching them and then breaking the ends of the skewers off. Into the oven for 350 degrees. It's going to cook 20 minutes for every pound. While that's cooking, I'm going to be going ahead and making this good glaze, baby. I have a half a stick of butter, and I've melted it, and now I'm putting in my 1 cup of brown sugar. Just wanted to show you how cute that cup was. Isn't it cute? I am coming right back with a half a cup of honey. And now I have 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm going to be putting in some red pepper. It's not going to make it hot, just gives it a little bit of a kick. Put in how much you like, or leave it out altogether. So I'm bringing this up to a boil. It's going to take about 10 or 12 minutes to let it get to where I want it to get. And I'm not going to leave it for a second. I've got my wire whisk, and I'm going to whisk it the entire time. So I've taken my duck out of the oven. It has cooked now about 45 minutes. And I'm going to give it its first little glaze and then get it back in. All right, so you see it there in the oven. It's already been glazed. And now I let it cook another 45 minutes, and I've got it out, and I'm putting on the second glaze. Can't find my brush, so I'm just going to pour it on. I wish you could smell it. Oh my goodness. Do you see that the dressing is pooching out a little bit, even through the skewers? Oh, it looks so good. Back into the oven for the final cook. I'm taking these skewers out, And I'm going to pull out that thermometer. It never will pop anyway because that sweet glaze will keep it from popping out. I've sliced it up and I've got Mr. Waddles on my dish. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Look at that glaze. Look at that. Now, you know, I'm not a big fan of turkey. I love the fat that comes from the turkey more. If you look at this turkey, you can see there's no true white meat. The breast is dark and the legs are dark, but it's really good. I suggest this for a romantic dinner for two. Some of you are empty nesters, or you have don't have the big family that you had. Thanksgiving's coming, Christmas is coming, you want to cook something small. Try this duck. It's really good. Hey guys, I appreciate you and I thank you for coming by to my channel today to see what I was cooking, because you knew I would be throwing down, baby. I hope I did not disappoint. If you like what you see, share my videos. That's very important to me. Comment and subscribe. Come back and watch my next one. Guys, appreciate you. Bye-bye. Go out and share some love.